Welcome back to One. It's Kilo, and I'm with Red Racing Industries. Kind of show you what we've done with the Beast for the past kind of 2, maybe 3 days or so. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. As I'm getting rained on from like this watery snow that has really iced up the trees, here's the Beast and all of its glory. Like, I mean, I don't have anything on. It is cold out here, but well, that was satisfying. And we've got thick ice on here, just super thick ice. But we did go take it off-roading, and I've got a couple clips of that at night using the GoPro and the ThinkWare cameras I've got inside. But this is all just from like last night and kind of this morning. Most of the mud though that I've got, well, a lot of the mud was from last night, but some of the like dirt mud that I had it was just from a few days ago. And I did drive the Beast around the neighborhood a minute just to make sure if I needed to get out, I could. But I mean, it is just, this snow kind of rains, whatever we got going is a mess. We've got icicles going in the bed. I wonder if I can open the tailgate. Let's see. Whew, I can. What do you know? This is all stuck. Ooh, it still works. But to be able to test this with the snow and the ice is awesome. And everything works and functions as it should, which is awesome. I'm just trying to be very careful here. But I gotta say, it was a lot of fun, and I'll have some of those clips in. But anyway, thank y'all for watching.